Welcome to the Community Monday Meetup. As you all know, we have these Monday Meetups every Monday, and it's an informal meeting to talk about what are the latest news at Topcoder, what we are doing for the community, what are the latest events and exciting challenges that are coming up. For those members that are not present yet, and all the Topcoder admins or anyone else who is here but is from United States, just want to wish you all have a happy 4th of July. I know you guys are celebrating Independence Day, and that's why many of the people are out today, which is great for them. Having a short holiday is always nice. Now, as we move forward, in July, Topcoder is going to have a security month. So we have several events dedicated to security this month. And one of the first things that we are starting with is we're going to have a webinar where we are going to talk about all the things security, all things about the Topcoder policies and NDA, about what it takes to get paid the Topcoder, about about the NDA and how it affects the work that you are presenting if you have submitted something for a customer. And then also, what does the future of secure work consist of? And I'm going to share this link with you for everyone interested to just join in. This is going to be on July 19th. We also have an interesting blog article written by Penna. So Penna is going to handle several initiatives related to security this month. Just give it a look. It has all the things cybersecurity related here. Next, we're going to talk about the NASA Comet Detection Marathon Round 2. Basically, we recently had ran a marathon match with NASA in partnership with NASA, and Topcoder members discovered two comets from class C. So those are the barely visible ones. And we had 7 winners. We also had a webinar where they talked about their approach. And now we decided to relaunch that challenge with a couple of updates. So basically, this challenge is going to be built on the submissions of the winners from that past challenge. In addition to this, we are also going to have a bit modified scorecard, and then more data is going to be available for the testing. And this is the competition link for those of you who are interested. As you know, having NASA in your portfolio is always an exciting thing to brag to friends or any potential customers, and their projects are always so exciting. Not to mention that it's a detecting common problem. Next, as we move forward, we have the web design in Figma course with Yoki and Luis. So Yoki and Luis have this initiative to put together a Figma course. And this course is not only explaining the technical aspects of Figma, but it's also talking about the web design basics, about how to compete in a challenge, how to do sketches, how to put together all the principles in order to win for a challenge. One of the good parts of doing this course is that you will get to learn Figma. And at the end of the course, you're also going to get a certificate to prove that you did this course. And you should do this because most of the design challenges that the UX team at Topcoder is running are going to be in Figma only competitions because the design system is created in Figma. So this will be very helpful to have a good grasp of it and know it well. And we are also planning to launch a skill builder challenge for the design system in Figma, so members can learn it better and have a solid ground on it. And one of the most exciting news that we have today is the launch of the 2023 Topcoder Open website. So on July 1st, we have launched the 2023 Topcoder Open. And as you all know, TCO is one of the most exciting events that Topcoder organizes. Meeting all of the members and the admins and everyone coming together, the competitions, the events, it's everything amazing. I mean, it's nice to know people online, but then when you meet in person, it's totally different experience. And we've been doing TCO for many years, but now we decided to revamp it and make it more exciting, have more prizes, more engaging. And that's why we have changed the rules for how to qualify. And we have here this little infographic. Now, for some members, this was clear, for some it was not, but tomorrow we are going to have a Discord launch party at 9:30 a.m. this time. And that's the place where you can ask more questions if you're not clear on how the qualifications work this year. And yeah, we're also going to have an additional video edit here to explain more in words, like a recording, a presentation recording, for someone just looking at this fresh view. But if you have any questions, feel free to let me know about this. Next, we're moving to Topcoder Skill Builder challenges. As you know, the Skill Builder challenges are competitions where members can learn a skill, they can add it to their profile, basically they will get this check mark that they have the skill, and then when a gig opportunity comes up, they will prove that they have the skill because they participated in these challenges. And now this month, we are going to focus on cybersecurity skills. And this is related to Cybersecurity Month, as you were talking before. And as you know, cybersecurity can relate to several things like network security. It can be Internet of Things. It can be application security. And one of the biggest damage that can happen in this case, it can be the insertion of a malicious code or malware in the system. And in this challenge, the scope of it is to create a malicious software analysis laboratory. So basically, the role is to create an application that can already prepare a malware specimen, prepare to detect malware specimen before it affects the environment. We also have prizes here, and of course, the 3 problems, easy, medium, and hard, with the different points. And let me share the link to this as well in the chat. And speaking of security, moving forward, Luis is going to host the Topcoder Nation show with John Wheeler. So John Wheeler is Vice President of Security at Topcoder. This event is going to take place on July 12th, 2022 at 10 a.m. this time. And John is going to talk to us about how to create secure products at Topcoder, about what does the future of cybersecurity means, about how to stay safe in these days of cybersecurity. I think it's the first community webinar that we have with him, and he definitely has lots of interesting things to talk about in this area. So join the webinar on the link I shared in the chat. And if you have any questions, feel free to stop me and ask. Next, we have Twitter Spaces. So Abby and Robinson, they are organizing every Saturday tech talk about different interesting subjects such as data science, development, front-end and back-end remote work, other design opportunities and learning. And this one is coming like this weekend. It's definitely an interesting webinar to join, tech talk to join. Abby and Robinson, I see you are here. So if one of you want to talk more about this, feel free to jump in and add anything else you wish.
Okay, thank you very much.
Sure.
It happens usually every Saturday or every weekend, and everyone is free to join, and there are no restrictions of topics we engage. Everyone is welcome to get the mic and get to share the experience, whether it's on design, development, or data science, across the board and across all continents. They get to join and share the experiences. So you can come and join us every weekend. We have different topics that we discuss around even Topcoder in general.
Thank you. That was nice. Thank you. And next we have the Hangout Fridays. Actually, I think I forgot to share the link. Let me share the link here for the Twitter Spaces. There you go. Next we have the Hangout Fridays. So some of you might have joined in the past. These are like informal meetings where we just socialize and have fun. We're playing games like Type Racer or Pictionary or other fun ones. It's just a way to meet with people online, like you would go out to a beer with a person in person, you know, with someone member in person. And it's always engaging and fun. And Luis and I are hosting this, and it's usually in the last Friday of every month. And the link to this event is here. This one is in Zoom as well. Next, we have Topcoder and Safety Wing. So basically, Topcoder has a partnership with Safety Wing to enables health in purchasing health insurance for our members. Safety Wing has all kinds of health insurance for remote workers, for nomads. It has for teams, and it's always they have like discounted prices for Topcoder members, and you can have full health insurance. We have a dedicated page on our site for this. We even had the webinar with the team from Safety Wing, and we asked a lot of questions. They answered them, so it's all good. All you need to do is basically be a Topcoder member, check this webinar, and then there are a couple of steps to just purchase the health insurance. So basically, wherever you travel in the world, you are still have a health insurance coverage. And it can extend to the family members as well. Now we got to top gigs this week. As most of you who are in this call know, gigs are a freelance opportunity to work with the customers directly. And every week we highlight the gigs of the week. And if you have the skills necessary for a gig, you should definitely add them to your resume. Or if you know a friend who has those skills, you can recommend that friend. And if your friend wins the gig and gets placed, you will win like $500 based on that. Now, the gigs of the week are data scientist. This one requires skills like machine learning, data science, Java, Python, and so on. It's from any location and it lasts for 16 weeks. And it's a full-time gig here, basically. You can see the details in the chat of this gig if you're interested. Next, we have a DevOps engineer. This one is from any location as well. It's a full-time gig. You need to know Docker, Kubernetes, and AWS and CI/CD. Just go in here and apply if you want to get this one. Next, we have a full stack MERN developer. This one requires Node.js skills, and it's again full-time gig, and it lasts for 52 weeks. You just need to synchronize and work on IST time zone, basically. And another gig that we have this week is this PL SQL developer. You need to have Unix skills and PL SQL skills. Again, you have to synchronize with IST time, and you can work from any location, basically. You need to be pretty experienced for this one, have 8 years of experience as a PL SQL developer, and strong proficiency with that server database. And then last, we have a senior iOS developer. This one is based on Swift, Objective-C API, RESTful API skills. You have to synchronize with EST time zone. It's a full-time gig, and you can work from any location. Now, as we move forward, we are going to Topcoder ambassadors. That's on our list. So Topcoder is looking for people all over the world who are passionate about Topcoder to spread the word. And they can share things about Topcoder with their family, with their friends, with their network of people they know. And if you are interested in this, it's going to be a paid gig, basically. You're going to be paid per members you bring in. And you just have to apply to this form, basically. So we take you into the view. And then we have a fun survey. This is just to know you better, to see what things you like for TCO, what's your favorite drink, what's your favorite swags, this kind of items that will help us prepare better for the main event. And we plan to do like a fun game based on the survey. So more on this will come later. And now we have the calendar note. So what's coming? What else is coming at Topcoder this month? We already had the launch of 2023 Topcoder Open website. We have a rookie SRM that should start today. Then we also have a TCO algorithm round 3. I think this is the last one for qualification for this year. We have SRM 833 and 834 coming. Then we also have a marathon match 138 coming July 30 to 20th. And a rapid development match on July 29th. And this is all for today. Do you have any questions? Is anyone still there?
I'm here. I don't have any questions. Thank you, Dara.
Thank you. Yeah, nice to see everyone is here and not sleeping after my presentation. Well, thank you all for joining today and have a great week ahead. And feel free to jump in anytime, say hi on Skype or Discord. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.